Hello, hello. This is Mark Engstrom, and I'm thrilled to be participating in this book talk from Miss Martin, mainly because I think she does a lot of awesome things. And, well, how do you say no to Miss Martin? I just don't know how to do that. This was a great book, and I'm glad that she remembered that I was excited about it. It's written by J.D. Vance, who's a Yale Law graduate, and admits that he hasn't done much in his life worthy of writing a book, but he does have a unique perspective on a part of America that a lot of people don't really get. And particularly with the election of Trump, it offers insight into the way a lot of people live and why some people are angry, et cetera, et cetera. So you should not read this book if you have a meth addicted uncle who lives in the mountains of Appalachia, who moves just about every year, doesn't have a job, and is grammatically challenged. If you have that in your life, then you already know this stuff. But if you're like me and you don't, and you're curious how our country fits into the global mosaic of geopolitics and how we elect the people we do and why we vote the way we do and why we're happy and angry and all of that, then this is a great book to give you a slice of what part of America lives like. And it really helped me. I thought it was well written. And if you're interested, I hope you pick it up. Have a great one. Thanks, Ms. Martin.